What did you do? Why are you smiling? What did you do?
Huh? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jackal, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
My.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, you fucking know it, kid.
Come here.
You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken.
Who did... Who done this?
Did you get into it? Oh, you bad boy. So bad.
What you gotta say for yourself? Huh?